Hi, hello. This is Colores Andinos, music from Latin America. We are members of MASC for the past 20 years. It's a program about music of Latin America. This is music with a social and cultural context too. We go through more or less cultural geography. Art is the criteria of mixing knowledge. So you mix, you learn different things, numbers, chemistry, and everything, and then you mix and you create new knowledge. So that's what we do in music. We mix notes and we produce a song. This is our passion and we love to do it.